Does GoDaddy use Stripe? GoDaddy does not use Stripe as its primary payment processor. Instead, GoDaddy Payments is the company's in-house payment processing system, offering seamless integration with its website and e-commerce services. 1. Understanding GoDaddy Payments. GoDaddy Payments provides a streamlined solution for merchants to accept various payment methods, including credit and debit cards. By managing its own payment processing, GoDaddy offers competitive transaction fees and unified support for its users. 2. Integrating Stripe with GoDaddy. While GoDaddy Payments is the default option, some users may prefer to use Stripe for payment processing. To integrate Stripe with your GoDaddy website, follow these steps. Step 1. Create a Stripe account. Set up a Stripe account by providing your contact details, business information, and banking details. Step 2. Link Stripe to your online store. Integrate Stripe with your online store. This process may require custom development or third-party plugins, as GoDaddy does not offer native support for Stripe integration. Step 3. Test the Stripe integration. Test the integration to ensure that payments are processed correctly.